everybody. Well, get a coffee, have a seat, and we're going to unbox this entire stack of items from Crochet. Now imagine you are going on spring break or on a cruise, or you're getting ready for summer. But first, if you are planning to leave on a cruise soon, or you're going to go to spring break and it's cool where you live, you'll want to start with a set to wear on the flight. And I have found just the right set. This is the asymmetrical cutout sweater, and these are the coordinating pants that go with it. It has the rib knit at the bottom and on the cuffs, and look at this cutout. It looks as if you're wearing a cami under a sweater or a cardigan, and it's not. It's designed to look this way, and that's what makes it just different enough. You can wear jewelry or you don't have to. You can go as casual as you would like, or you can dress it up just a bit. I'm wearing these low profile tennis shoes with this set, but if you are a loafer person, try a pair of loafers with it, because that would pair beautifully. You could dress it up just a fraction more with a loafer. I am wearing the beige, but it's also available in gray, in a black brown, kind of a really deep brown, and a winter white. They're all solid colors. You could pop a scarf on if you want to dress it up even more. It's elasticized waist, no zippers, no buttons, nothing. It's easy. This is easy dressing. And I'll show you the gray, because I got the gray as well. I'm going to clip this here, so maybe you can still hear me, but I will be hands-free. I became very close to ordering the white, but I thought that would not work on a flight very well, but it would be awfully darn cute to wear if you were going skiing and you wanted an outfit to wear, casual outfit to wear while you're out shopping. Look at this gray. You can see the difference. Let me get a pair of scissors. I'll be right back. Okay. I'm going to need these for other packages as well. There we go. These are the gray pants. Now you see that elastic waist? I'm going to come closer. That is the elastic waist all the way around, not just on the sides. And that is the rib knit cuff. Fabulous. Now, if you are in a cold area when you leave to go on your trip, you could wear this with a nice black jacket, and you would look so cute. And of course, this is the same top. Let's take it out as well, because they're all made alike. This one, we're just going to have a nice mess when we get finished, aren't we? There we go. There is the gray compared to the beige. And see the cutout? Isn't that adorable? Stay comfortable on your flight, and when you arrive, let's see what we can wear when we get to our destination. I have so much to show you, and I will intersperse video of each of these items so you can see what it looks like when you're wearing it. This was one of the items that I could not wait to see, because it is a sundress, a lovely, beautiful sundress, very luxurious looking, because it's not black and white, it's black and beige. So it's more toned down than a bright white and black. This is spaghetti strap, elasticized back, all the way across the back. And look at this adorable little flouncy bottom. That is so pretty, with black sandals or black heels. And if you need to You could put a cardigan with it, but it's so cute, I'd hate to cover this up. But you never know, it might be cool when you arrive. This is a supple line maxi dress, perfect for those evenings out for dinner or maybe lunch by the pool. I still think that flouncy bottom makes this dress, and you can't go wrong with spaghetti straps. So that's going in the suitcase. Next we have a Seaside Whisper crochet cover-up, and it has a crocheted scallop neckline on the edges of the bell sleeve and the bottom. And the crochet is wide enough that you can see your colorful bathing suit underneath, or if you're wearing black swimwear, that would look beautiful with it. And let's see what colors this is available in. This is an off-white. Excuse me for looking at my phone, but there's so many colors. Let's look it up. So I have the off-white. It also comes in white, black, blue, red, brown, pink, beige. I don't know what the difference is in the off-white and then beige. Okay. And then teal, army green, green, yellow, and fluorescent green. Wow, you could match every piece of swimwear you have with a cover-up like this. Okay, let's see. I'm getting excited now. What else do we have? We have, oh, I've been waiting for this. This is a one-piece black swimsuit. Whoa. It has ruching on the sides, low front, and let me read what came with it. It's called Wonder Swim by Crochet. It slims and sculpts. It has support and it has tummy control. So it is designed to correct those areas of discontent. So I will try that on for you. This is classically designed swimwear. You can wear this suit anywhere, on a boat, at a resort, on a beach. Now, what do we have next? Oh my gosh. Another piece of swimwear. Now this is made to impress. It is brightly colored. It has crochet down each side, and it has that tummy control as well, and comfortable fit. It has cups. Does the black one have the cups in it? Yes, both of them come with cups. Has a low back with a bow. Thank you, Crochet, for providing us with a discount code. 15% off using TERE15 to enjoy 15% off on the purchase of $70 or more of Crochet products. You are going to look so cute in that one. Now, what do we have? I feel like I'm getting a prize each time I open this box. This is like a boho paisley cover-up. It's a maxi length, and it has the tie front. Very scarf-like. The fabric is very light and airy. So this kimono style cover-up will work with a multitude of swimwear. I will list all of this below, like I said, and I'm sure you can find this available in other colors as well. But I'm going to look for you and then maybe list the colors they are available in. I in particular like this color because I plan to wear white swimwear under it. I think that would look beautiful. What do we have? Let's see. Oh, beach hat, a must. This is a straw beach hat that is flexible. It has a wire that runs through the outer edge of this. Looks unusual on my hand holding it up, but it has great detail to it. It has a leather bow that runs all the way around and tied on the side or back, wherever you place it, and it is adjustable on the inside. See this string that runs through it? You can fit your head so it doesn't blow off, and there is a wire that runs around the outer edge, so you can design your own hat. You can curl up the sides and make a cowboyish looking hat. You can leave it big and floppy. You could make it almost like a Panama hat in the front like this. There are so many ways you can wear this, depending on how you want to wear your hair. You want to wear your hair up, down. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Anything packable is great. Look at this. You can just crush it in your suitcase. We are almost ready to go. We have, this is it. Oh, I know what this is. This is jewelry that is perfect for vacation because you may not want to take your good jewelry and wear it on the beach, but look at this bracelet. It's a stack of bracelets. It has gold with pearls and then white, looks like coral and seashells. And here is a little adjustable bracelet that you can wear with the stack, and it has a starfish and freshwater looking pearls. Oh my, how cute is that? Now, this one is, oh, I forgot about this. You're going to like this one. This is a stack of necklaces. Let's see, I've gotten, they're all tangled. Let's see if I can undo it real quick for you. There we go. Okay, we have glass beads that look gold in tone and pearl. This one is white with gold beads and starfish. And this is white. It almost looks like coral, and they're tiny, tiny little beads. And I'll make a close-up of this for you. And seashells. So you can have a nice stack of seaside jewelry. So you can look so pulled together, accessorizing for the beach. Oops, and I think there's one more. Yes, there are 1, 2, 3, and 4 bracelets. Pastel colors with gold beads and a seashell. Oh, and there's a big pearl on that one. Who doesn't want to look bejeweled on the beach? Well, I'm going to list everything for you so you can do your own shopping. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you have, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, you know I would love to have you as a subscriber. So tap that subscribe button. And don't forget, you can follow me on Instagram. Bye.